Menteri rangba ke jela Konrad ke sama hakashtarik yayong ulo ong baka jingtei ya ka LPG bottling plant kabala sahteng la slam hak jela klaya shakman ba lakmi linti ba onsala ban pendap no shen habakran shakilat kai kubor u Konrad ulo ong kadai kabala sahteng la slam bha bat kadai ka ni ka sorkar kabala shim yak rai kabala ay ka jaka bat menta ka jingtei klasdang kalong ko basisya babaro ki aka ki shimpor pimla ban kmi linti ban chupendap no marman ya ka jingtei henry klayai sted bha kumtang kmi linti ba shen on sala ban pendap no ula ong haba banram bala day ban le ya ka nina du kham manchma henry watla katta kampher ngila shim ya ka rai ngila penyo ya ka jaka bat ngila dan ha ka kham ha ka bangi day ban la ban pendap no ya ka Menteri rangba upente bru bakala don gajing hakabaya de bagajing penpoi commercial LPG hakari baro kawai Henry gajing pendan kami ki domestic LPG ha Meghalaya kade ke badang la ban penbyang like no gajing tuna ba malu mala kajing pendan kami ki LPG haki yeng ki sam kadai ka bangi dangla ban penbyang Henry la don pat kat tu kat ni kajing tuna kata kam dei ka babon ong ukon rat Henry haba pashi ki commercial LPG berpendan kam haki dukan, restaurant, matki hotel. Kladon gajing duna hakari barok kuwe. Kumta ka sorkar klaken tiu syaka nyopo pesan nakador ka bemenshwa nakabenta barok ki jela. Lapan kiu naka arpo pesan syaka nyopo pesan. Henry gajing kata lingba kani kadai bendang man. Ngikmi linti bahagi ni gisi ban wan kajingwan poi kan nangkiu bat ngikmi linti ban kam yo pen harman sim ula ong ula benrap da ka ong kini kide kindiat kijing tenju namar kumba phite bahadu jan kandai pho percent kajing don kam LPG ka wan na kan ka than bat ka ya ling ba ya Strait of Hormuz bat kumta ka don kajing tenju Henry ha ka ju ka por ka sorkar India kalaya le ban penbyang hai ki kerdan ba pero per ban penduna ya ka ka jing ka ba ki pat ba ki ya kendo
As of Meghalaya is concerned, there is from the domestic use we are still managing. It's there is some shortage, but not that much. But when it comes to commercial LPG, there is a shortage throughout the nation. So government has increased the amount to 70% of the original amount which was there for all the states. Earlier it was 20%, and then now they've increased to 70%. But the actual impact of that is yet to be felt. We do expect that in the coming days that the actual supply will go up, and we do expect some relief. But of course, these are a bit of a challenge because, as you're aware, almost 90% of the LPG requirement is there. It comes from this region and passes to the Strait of Hormuz, and therefore the challenges are there. But at the same time, as I said, the government of India is making arrangements at different levels to minimize the inconvenience that the people are facing.
What about our bottling plant? Why is it hanging fire for?
No, it is something that was hanging for a long time, and it was this government that took the decision, provided the land, and the construction has started. Obviously, everything takes time. You cannot expect the construction to be over, but it's going very fast. So we expect it to be completed soon. It should have been done a long time back, but that's okay. But we took the decision, we provided the land, and we are now almost at the point where we should be able to complete it.